Come on in and join me as I make some honey mustard glazed baby back ribs. Look, girlfriends, at these ribs after almost 2 hours. I'm about to take them out, glaze them down, and put them back in the oven. Wow. Wow. That looks so good. Ooh. Mm, 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 mm. It's gonna be a good meal tonight. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your girlfriends who love to cook clean and eat good. And girlfriend, come back and find me on Substack at Sister Girl Second Act, where I talk about everything, including wellness, self-care, and living your best life in your second act. So until next time, take care, eat, live well, and remember, we are not invisible. All right now.